what Indiana is building.
And if anyone's qualified to break down brilliance, it's Sue. She's been reading basketball plays like others read bedtime stories since she was barely tall enough to steal cookies off the top shelf. While other kids were learning the difference between offense and defense, Sue was decoding defensive schemes and memorizing help side rotations. She didn't just play the game, she dissected it, refined it, and executed it with the precision of a scientist dunking formulas. So when Sue Bird says Caitlin Clark has it, you better believe that it is rarer than a solar eclipse during the finals. This isn't some flash-in-the-pan moment. Sue's nod means Caitlyn's the real deal, a franchise cornerstone who could drop buckets while orbiting Earth with